Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. It is Nachos burger time. It is going to be some chicken patties covered in tortillas or tortilla chips, and then some crispy cheddar chips and in a brioche bun. It is such a delicious and easy burger, so let's get started. My oven is already at 180 degrees C or at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit convection. On a baking sheet with some parchment paper, I am going to add on some finely shredded cheddar cheese. Just going to add them in some lumps. Be careful not to place them too close to each other because they will run out quite a bit in the oven. You decide how many you want to make and how many you want to add into your burger. I like to add about 3 in each burger, but it also depends on what size you are making your chips in. Bake these in the oven for anywhere between 5 and 7 minutes. It depends on the size, just until they are nice and golden brown on the edges. And then they are done. And just let them cool down because then they will crispen up really nicely. I have 3 plates. On one plate I have some flour, adding in some salt and pepper. On another plate I have some eggs, which I'm just going to lightly whisk. And in the last one I have some crushed tortilla chips, and I just crushed them with a rolling pin in a bag. I made some patties out of some chicken mince. You can easily make them smaller than I've done here. Mine are quite big, but it is up to you. But just dip the patty in the flour first and into the eggs. And into the chips, and just make sure they are well covered. I like to give my brioche buns some little heat and some crispiness on the inside, so I'm just going to add them all to the pan and then fry my brioche buns on one side. When they are nice and golden brown, I'm just going to remove them from the pan. Using the same pan, add in lots of oil to make sure that my patties get nice and crispy, and then fry my patties in there until they are nice and golden brown on both sides. I'm ready to assemble my burgers, and I've also prepared some lettuce, some red onion, and I have some store-bought salsa and some sour cream. You decide how you're going to build them. I'm just going to build them my own way. It is up to you guys, but it is just such a delicious burger. Come on, guys. That is bites from heaven. Those cheddar crisps and the patty and the salsa, the sour cream and the onions and the lettuce, it all goes so well together. And I love using this very soft store-bought brioche bun because it just makes them so good. Give it a go. Ingredients down below as always. Don't forget to subscribe here so don't miss out on any videos in the future. Bye.